All right, let's take another look at another Torras simple but unique case for the Pixel 7 Pro. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech gadgets and accessories for who? For you. And in today's video we have a case from Torras. This is their shockproof case for the Pixel 7 Pro. Now it is worry-free quality products, worldwide happy users, and 10 years of experience. This is a carbon neutral product. So without further ado, let's take a look at the shockproof case. Bam. Bam. Oh, look at this bad boy. Looks very nice. You do have a warranty card here as well. Go ahead and scan that QR code if you want to go ahead and steal my warranty. You most absolutely can. Now this is almost like their Mars Climber case, but without the kicks down there, but looks and feels very good in hand. Let's go ahead and grab the Pixel 7 Pro here. Bam. Feels very good. You do have Torras branding right there in the bottom left corner of the case. If this could focus. There you go. Bam. There you go. You do have lip protection here at the bottom, lip protection here at the top. The cutouts are nice and precise. The cutout on top, nice and precise. Lip protection here at the camera bar as well. So you are protected if you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface or on its front on a flat surface. You're not scratching up that display nor the camera lens on the back. Now I do have a screen protector currently installed. Now this is a film style screen protector and it does not mess with the screen protector at all. So this is film screen protector friendly and tempered glass screen protector friendly. No issues with that whatsoever. The buttons on the right side are 100% covered. Nice and tactile, very responsive. Now does this wirelessly charge through the case? And it absolutely does wirelessly charge through the case with no issues whatsoever. There you have it, guys. This is their shockproof case for the Pixel 7 Pro from Torras. It absolutely feels amazing. Look at that. Adds almost no bulk. Keeps a very thin profile. Look at that. Feels good in hand. Oh, nice, man. It absolutely feels very, very nice. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. Link to this product will also be in the description of the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.